Now we will discuss the principles of quarantine. For healthcare workers, there is active quarantine and passive quarantine. Active quarantine means when they are performing their duties and living separately. And passive quarantine is when they have done their duties, then they are given certain period. Normally, healthcare worker is working for 14 days, and during these 14 days, he or she is separate from family members and other persons. If healthcare worker is working in high risk zone like isolation ward or ventilatory unit, then 7 days quarantine, that is the passive quarantine, is allowed. And when healthcare worker is working in low risk zone other than isolation and ventilatory unit, the person is allowed for 2 days passive quarantine. For general population, quarantine is for those persons who are not COVID positive but are exposed to a COVID positive person or any suspect. That means there is a close contact within a room, within a house, or they are in contact with some COVID positive patient. Why we should quarantine? The purpose of quarantine is they should not spread infection to society, and moreover they should concentrate on themselves for their any health issues. As far as do's and don'ts are concerned, they are almost the same as I have told during isolation. So the healthcare worker can open up that video of safe and happy home isolation and go through that. Only difference is that they need not take any medicine and they need not report to any district surveillance officer. But few salient point I need to re-emphasize for the quarantine health worker is that they should have a separate room with attached washroom. They should not mix up with family members. They should not use common clothes, common bed, common utensils or common washroom. They should not eat with other family members. They should especially keep distance with the persons who are susceptible, like old aged person or the persons having comorbid diseases like diabetes, cancer, blood pressure and heart disease, or persons who are taking chemotherapy or immunotherapy. Apart from this, healthcare worker who is having quarantine, who is living in quarantine, should take care of his or her health by regularly watching vitals, that is pulse, temperature, respiration and oxygen saturation, and should perform all routine work on their own, like washing their clothes, washing their utensils, mopping the floors or mopping the door handles. Everything has to be done by healthcare worker. During this period, they should have proper sleep, they should take care of good hydration, they should take care of proper balanced food which includes vitamin C, vitamin D. They should preferably, if they have got facility, go for sun bath for at least 30 minutes. They should be peaceful. They should watch television or mobile, some inspirational videos, so that they should always remain happy. They can talk to their dear ones. They can write some story, the poetry. They can have some creativity. So in this way, they will remain happy, they will remain safe, and after their quarantine period is over, they are tested for COVID test, and if their COVID test comes negative, then they are allowed for their duties and mixing up with their family members.